SA on World AIDS Day introduction. Hey everyone, today is International AIDS Day, and I want to talk to you about something that's really important. It's about a virus called HIV and a disease called AIDS. What is HIV AIDS? HIV is a virus that attacks the body immune system. The immune system is like your body army fighting of germs and keeping you healthy. When HIV weakens the immune system, the immune system, it is harder for body to fight off infections, and that's when AIDS and that's when AIDS can develop can develop the impact of HIV or AIDS. HIV or AIDS has had a huge impact on people all over the world. It is caused countless it has caused countless deaths and left many more with serious health problems. But the virus can also have a big emotional, and social impact on those who are infected. Prevention and treatment. The good news is that there are ways to prevent and treat HIV/AIDS. Here are a few things you can do. Number first, safe sex practice. Using condoms is the best way to protect yourself from HIV. Getting tested regularly. Getting tested regularly. Knowing your HIV status is important, so you can take steps to protect yourself and others. Number third, seeking treatment. Early treatment with antiretroviral therapy ART. Antiretroviral therapy can help people with HIV live longer, healthier lives. Conclusion. International AIDS Day is a reminder that we must continue to work together to prevent HIV/AIDS, support those living with the virus, and end the stigma by taking action. we can make a difference in the lives of countless people. Thank you.